Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start with a great cut, like a ribeye or New York strip, ideally 1.5 inches thick for the best results. Bring your steak to room temperature for at least 30 minutes. This helps it cook evenly from edge to center. Before you do anything else, pat that steak completely dry with paper towels. A dry surface is absolutely essential for achieving that incredible, crispy crust we all love. It's the first secret to a perfect sear. Simple seasoning is key to letting the steak's natural flavor truly shine through. Generously coat your steak on all sides with plenty of coarse salt, like kosher or sea salt, and freshly cracked black pepper. Don't be shy here. You'll be amazed at the difference a good amount of seasoning makes. Apply it right before cooking, ensuring every inch is covered. This creates a flavorful crust, enhancing every single bite you take. A screaming hot pan is absolutely essential for achieving that beautiful deep brown crust. Get your cast iron skillet smoking hot over medium-high heat. Just before you add the steak, pour in a high smoke point oil, like grapeseed or avocado. Carefully place your seasoned steak into the hot oil. Sear it undisturbed for 2 to 3 minutes per side, letting that magnificent crust develop. This initial high heat blast locks in the juices and flavor. Basting with butter, garlic, and fresh herbs adds incredible depth of flavor and tenderness to your steak. After searing both sides, reduce the heat to medium. Add a generous knob of butter, a few cloves of smashed garlic, and sprigs of rosemary or thyme to the pan. Tilt the pan slightly and continuously spoon the melted, aromatic butter over the steak for 1 to 2 minutes. Use a meat thermometer to check for an internal temperature of exactly 130 degrees Fahrenheit for a perfect medium-rare result. Resting your steak after cooking is just as crucial as the cooking itself for a truly juicy, tender result. Transfer your beautifully cooked steak to a clean cutting board. Allow it to rest undisturbed for at least 5 to 10 minutes. This vital step lets all those delicious internal juices redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is moist and flavorful. Finally, slice your steak against the grain into thick, even pieces, and get ready to enjoy perfection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.